Let's go!
Oh. Playmakers on three. 1, 2, 3. Playmakers. Somersaulted down at the 2-yard line.
Leaps in. Did he get in?
We're going to get him. It's going to be a sack. Oh, they throw a flag.
50-yard difference from the previous spot.
Ball is caught, intercepted, 9 yards deep in the end zone.
This ball deflected and intercepted. Mason Foster took it off the feet of the receiver with the pickoff. Unbelievable.
The Raiders will attempt a game-winning field goal. The snap down, the kick is up, the kick is good! And Middle Tennessee has won at Maryland on a 19-yard field goal for a win. That is a winner.
247 yards from Mark Ingram. He buries his head. He fights his way. He's in.
Touchdown, Montel Harris. That's 5 touchdowns for the sophomore. Unbelievable. Brandon Banks to midfield. Banks to the 40, to the 30, to the 20. Banks 10-5. Touchdown. He did it again.
We have to learn to play with emotion and not let emotion play with us. And that's not the University of Oregon. That's not the way we play football, and we don't condone any of that.
Here's Boone blocked. Claiborne picks it up, and he's going to go for a touchdown. Adrian Claiborne.
Kelly Page, the draw, goes to Quayle Lewis, who gets the 2 points, and the Cardinals are leading this football game.
Come on. Dance. Come on. We're going to win.
We ask that you please stand and join the University of Connecticut to remember and honor the life of University of Connecticut's junior cornerback, Jasper Howard.
He will walk into the end zone. Touchdown, USC.
Snap, spot, kick is on the right block. Iowa fails to jump on the ball. And UNI has a chance to win the game again. The kick is blocked again. Get on the football. Game over.
Throws to the end zone, caught. Game over. Ohio wins.
Placement is good. K-State blocked the extra point. Oh my goodness.
This is the game, one way or the other. Takes a look. Fires a fastball. Ball is caught. Touchdown, Notre Dame.
He's got it. Yes, baby, yes.
Wow. What a play.
You have got my goodness.
kidding me.
A tremendous catch, baby. They got him.
Did he get there?
He's breaking tackles. He's into the secondary.
He's got
20, 15, 10. They are not going to catch him. Touchdown.
How about that?
Yes, sir.
Unbelievable.
Magnificent.
Look at this. The players are going in the student section. That's going to do it.
This ball game is over.